Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. GFX. Today we are going to speak about how to create this nice snow, and we will create all of the setting just in 5 minutes, and we will speak about how to play with all of this details. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. First of all, we can go to and create new folder, add new folder, Niagara or anything. So right click and go to FX and you'll see Niagara emitter. Okay, so now new emitter, next, and we will see some template. So I will choose this one, fountain, okay, and looping fountain spray, okay. So finish. So this test, for example, now this is our emitter. We don't need any of those. Just we need to come here. Look, this is rate. How many size? For example, here this is rate 100. Now for now, so point attribute, this is lifetime 2 minutes to 4 seconds for 2 seconds and 4 seconds, and will disappear. So this is sprite attribute. So this is our size, for example, from 2 to 4. This is size, look, and 4 to 6. Look, this is our, but we need to appear to down, so we don't need to change any of them. So this is share location. If you will see, this is sphere or cylinder or box. So now we need to be a sphere, and this is radius, okay, for 1. Now we will come to the important part. This is velocity speed. Now I need to be minus 100, okay, and this one minus 60 to be like that, okay, or maybe do minus 300, and this is minus 200. Look, now we are in the right way. Now we will come here. This is cone angle. We will make like that. Okay, this is our angle. After that, you will go to gravity force. We this is so speed, so we will decrease it a little bit to 20. Look, so nice. Okay, minus 50. Okay, after that we will decrease this the count of snow. So we will come there in the first. Okay, look, this is loop duration, and this is spawn rate. We will make it 500 with 1000. But this is our shape, but we need to make it like a sphere. So we will go to shape location. Under shape we will see this sphere. We will increase it a little bit. Okay, now our shape is nice, and maybe 1000 or 500. Okay, nice. So I think now we are in the right way, but we need to check a little bit about this is minimum and maximum. Okay, gravity, nice, and all of them, they are okay. So all of this we will speak about them later, but just I need to explain a little bit something. So save, okay, and close this one, and if you drag and drop this one, they will not appear. So we need to right click and create Niagara system. So if we are in this area and drag and drop this, we will see this nice test system. Okay, so scale it a little bit and push it here, so we will see like that. So now we are here, but we need to increase. So if you need to increase, we need to increase here from this. Okay, double click, and we need to increase spawn rate for 3000, for example. Save, and we are here. Look, so nice. If we need to increase it here as you like. So, but here now we need to check this one to be in this area when he come here to for this floor. So look, not unbelievable. So we need to snow to make collide with the ground. So double click, and we will come to vertical update, collide, collision, okay, and save. Look now, but we need to increase it a little bit. Spawn rate, lifetime for 4 and 6, and spawn rate to be 6000. Okay, save. But look, collision is not good, so we need to play with something, with attribute. If you come here, 4000 now. So sorry. Okay, so if we are here in collision, we need to friction to be 0. Look, and we need to increase. Okay, restriction 0, and vertical 0. If you look here, save and close. Look, now we are in the right way. Everything is working nice. So this is the end of our tutorial. We will speak about a lot of tutorials in the next video. So if this is the first time at my channel, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.